Once there was a boy named Roy, who really liked playing with his toys. And whenever his mother suggested for him to read a book, Roy's face displayed a very sad look. "Mom, I just want to play," Roy would say. But his mother insisted, "No, not all day." Roy's father added, "Books are fun. Especially when they are shared between father and son. Books teach us to be great, and lessons taught from books will help you to graduate." "Will I graduate?" asked Roy. "Yes," his mother replied, "if you read your books, you will be a clever boy." Roy really liked the idea, and gave a big hug to his mother and father. From that day on, Roy played with his toys, but afterwards he reads a book. And while reading, his face displays a happy look.